Hello students, hope you are doing good. IBPS has announced the final result of PO, probationary officer, clerk, SO, that is specialist officer, for which the exams were conducted in the year 2023. Hearty congratulations to all the students who have made it to the final merit list. Those who missed it by a narrow margin, don't worry. You have, please focus on this year's exams. IBPS calendar is out. You know which month, which notification is going to out. This time we are going to have RRBPO, RRB clerk notification, followed by IBPS clerk notification, followed by IBPSPO notification. We also know that every year SBI PO, SBI clerk notifications are released continuously past 10 years. So this year also you can expect SBI PO, SBI clerk notification. Apart from that, you have RBI grade 2 officer notification, RBI assistant, NABARD officers, NABARD assistants, insurance companies. You can expect all these notifications to be released in the year 2024. So be ready to ace these exams. But one important point, you just sit down and analyze what actually went wrong. Maybe which area you are not so good, which area you are losing marks. It may be general awareness, it may be current affairs, it may be reasoning, it may be your quant. First try and analyze what actually went wrong in the exams. Then you focus on those areas, plus write more number of mock tests so that you can ace the exam in the year 2024. Those who cleared the exam, those who made it to the final merit list, yes, all the best and hearty congratulations. One important announcement from T.I.M.E. T.I.M.E is announcing scholarship for all its bank enrolled students who have made it to the final merit list. You may be a classroom student, you may be an online live batch student, you may be online recorded batch student, you may be a correspondence course student. You are eligible for the scholarship. Those who enrolled from 2017 till, let's say, somewhere around 45 days before the exam, somewhere around I can say August 31st, 2023, you are all eligible for the scholarship amount. Now, what you need to do is, we have given a Google form link in the description box. We have given 3 links, one for probationary officer, one for clerk, one for specialist officer. Now, depending on the exam which you have cleared, you please fill in your details in the Google form. Then we will validate your result. Then we will announce you the scholarship. If you are selected in 3 exams, you will get all 3 scholarships. If you are selected in 2 exams, don't think that I will get only 1 scholarship. No, if you are selected in PO clerk, you get scholarship for PO, you get scholarship for clerk. Both scholarships you will get. If you are selected for 3 exams, you get all 3 scholarships. So don't waste your time. So immediately, the moment you are watching this video, fill in the Google form and we are ready here to access your details, validate and give you scholarship. Right. Now, we will very quickly go through the selection process, the recruitment process of these exams which have happened, for which the final result has been announced. We will go through very quickly the recruitment process. When was the notification released, how many posts, what happened later, just some interesting statistics, just observe students. Now, IBPSPO 2023 final result, notification, IBPSPO notification was released in August 2023. Prelim exam was somewhere around September, October. Then main exam in November. Interviews conducted in January, February. As every year, 1st April 2024, result is out. Now, if you observe the vacancies during the time of notification, there were 3049 vacancies announced. 3049. At that time, a few banks have not reported the vacancies. If you observe, if you go back to our video which we have discussed notification of IBPSPO, we were very confident and we already told you don't get disappointed by looking at the 3000 number. We told you that definitely at the time of final selection, this number is going to increase manifold and it has happened now. 3049 at the time of notification, during final result, it has become 5532, almost an increase of roughly around 2500 posts, around 8% increase. This is a good news for all the students, right? So always don't disheartened by looking at the post given in the notification. Some banks have not reported, some banks might be reporting little later. So definitely maybe after reporting also they might again upgrade the number of vacancies. All these things will happen. So don't get disheartened by looking at the number of posts given in the notification. Please focus on your preparation. These posts definitely going to increase. Right, students. Now, let us look at IBPS clerk notification. Notification of IBPS clerk was released in July 2023 and number of posts 4045, roughly around 4000 posts. Prelim exam was in August-September 2023. Main exam conducted in October 2023. No interviews, as all of you are aware, no interviews for IBPS clerk. Then final result on 1st April. Every year the schedule is fixed. Now if you see here, final vacancies 8704, almost more than double, not even double, more than double. That means more than 100% more increase in number of posts. Almost roughly around 115%, almost more than double. So we were actually confident that many banks were not reported and many banks will upgrade the number of posts. So 4,000 to 8,700 is almost somewhere around 4,700, 4,600 change. So I am saying definitely the number of posts have increased here. So almost more than 100% growth in IBPS clerk posts. Now let us look at IBPS specialist officer. IBPS Specialist Officer notification was released in August 2023. Number of vacancies, if we can see, 1402 in the notification. Now during final result stage, the number of posts were around 2393, almost somewhere around close to 1000 increase in number of posts. Is a good news for all the students, right? So definitely the notification, the number of posts are going to increase. So this time also, if you look at any notification, if the number of posts are less in IBPS, don't worry. At the time of final recruitment, these posts are going to increase. Now, all these results were announced by IBPS on the IBPS website. So very quickly, let us see how to access this IBPS website. Now, I will take you through IBPS website. IBPS.in, this is the official website of IBPS. When you go to this website, this is the page, home page of IBPS website. Now, see, result is released on 1st April, that is today itself. So all 3 exams results are here. You can see in the updates, recent CRP updates, common recruitment process updates. So all the results are here. Clerk results, clerk 13 results, PO 13 results and specialist officer 13 results. To make you understand how to check your results, let us take one small example. Let us take PO. Now if you look at your PO, when you click on this link here, you will be taken to this page. Here we have combined result for main exam and interviews, and we have notification regarding provisional allotment. What all released in this notification is, now if you see the notification, we have the result. Apart from the result, the cutoffs are also announced. Provisional allotment is given. The student can check which bank they have got into, those who have cleared the exam. What is the bank allotted to them? They can check that. They can check that. Second one, cutoffs information, right? Cutoffs of the common recruitment process, also the cutoffs of the reserve list. Both are released, right? So you can check the cutoffs, minimum score, also maximum score, everything is given. If you want to get those details, you have to click this second link, notification regarding provisional allotment. If you click this link, then you will be taken to these pages. Some instructions are given here. So you can go through these instructions and you can see one second. See, these are the number of vacancies 5532 bank wise. Then this is what we are talking about, provisional allotment. These are the cutoff marks you can see here, and reserve list, these are the cutoff marks. Right, for both cutoffs for provisional allotment as well as reserve list are announced here. You can check for yourself what are the cutoffs, right? Now, how to check the result? One second. Now, if you come to this site, we are checking PO result. You have to click the first link. We have to click the second link. No, you have to click the first link. When you click this first link, then you have to key in your details, your roll number or registration number, your password or date of birth, and you have to give this CAPTCHA code here. Then you can see your result. All right. So once again, hearty congratulations to all the students who have made it to the final merit list, and those who missed it with a narrow margin, don't worry. You can you please be focused, be dedicated, work hard. Definitely you'll be able to make it. And one big announcement which we made earlier, I want to repeat it again: scholarship for all time students, time enrolled students of classroom, live batch, online recorded batch and correspondence course students who have enrolled from 1st January 2017 till 31st August 2023. So if you have made it to the final merit list, yes, you please fill in the Google link, that is Google form link given in the description box. Each one separate for PO one link, clerk one link, specialist officer one link. Right? We wish you all the best for you students.